example with an area of an oblique triangle, I kind of went the lazy route here by picking a degree angle that I can do using the unit circle. Anyway, so you want the area of triangle DEF, and you know that side D is 10 and side E is 30, and side F is, or I'm sorry, and angle F is 30 degrees. What is the area? So the formula for the area of an oblique triangle, and again, you don't have to do this, but I'm a huge fan of just being a super lazy bum and being like, cool, I can draw this as a, again, my default setting is what always looks like an equilateral triangle, but essentially what's happening here is we have angle F is 30 degrees. We don't know little f. We know little e is 30, and we know little d is 10, right? If you need this, that's great. If you don't need it, it doesn't matter. It is definitely not to scale, right? I only draw things to scale when I absolutely have to. Most of the time, I just want to get an eye for it. So the area of this triangle, and again, you don't have to draw the picture, but if it helps you, great, is 1/2 these sides times the sine of the included angle. So 10 times 30 times sine of 30 degrees, right? And again, I was kind of lazy here. I picked a thing I could do in my head. I know that the sine of 30 is a 1/2, right? I know from the unit circle that 30 degrees is the same as pi over 6, and I know it's this point where the sine, the y value in the unit circle, is 1/2. So again, totally lazy of me, but I picked one I could do in my head, and I end up getting that the area is 75, right? Because 1/2 of 300 times another half would be a 150 times a half, which is a 75. If you had units, like if this were in inches, then this would be inches squared because it's area, and area is linear units squared.